there is a diagram like this. Now, please pay attention. The question says, find the value of y degrees in this diagram. Okay, now on this diagram, we have a straight line. So if we have a straight line, and the property of a straight line says the sum of angles on a straight line is what? 180 degrees. It means when you have a straight line, now at about this point, pay attention, at about this point, all the angles you have about this point on the straight line, on, not around. If it comes around, it becomes what? 360 degrees. But they are saying on a straight line, on a straight line. So this is about the point. This angle, this angle, this angle. The sum of it all is what? 180. Now, the first angle there is what? This, which is what? 2y. Why are we using y? Because we do not know the value of that angle. Y represents what? An unknown value. Okay, so 2y plus 5y plus y. Why am I adding them? Because it says the sum of angles.
Yeah.
So this gives me what? 180. Good. 2y plus 5y gives me what? And then plus y. So you have 8y is equal to 180. So if I divide both sides by 8, so that I can have my y as a unit coefficient, this gives me what? 8 into 180 will give me what? So you can use your calculator for that, but let's see. That should give us 22.5 degrees. Okay?
Yeah.
Is it understood? Are you sure it's understood?
You haven't been paying attention to a word I said, have you?
Yes, ma'am.
So I come again. All these angles, they are on this straight line. And the law says, the property of a straight line says the sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So even if I have up to 10 angles here, if I divide this angle, say this is a straight line, this is the angle on the straight line. You get it? So if I like, let me come and divide it into several parts. Each of them adding together sums up to what? 180 degrees. That is exactly what the property is telling us. Okay, and so when you do that, the first angle is 2y, second is 5y, the third is what? Y. Add them together, you get 8y. Now, for you to be able to get your y, you have to divide through by the coefficient of what? Y. And you do it to the other side, so you get what? 22 degrees and 5 prime. Is that okay?